Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard liquid. We're talking about a fascinating substance often called oobleck, which is a non-Newtonian fluid. It behaves quite uniquely, flowing like a liquid when you pour it slowly, but becoming firm and resisting force when you apply pressure quickly. This makes it incredibly fun and surprising to interact with, offering a hands-on lesson in physics. Making this hard liquid is surprisingly simple, requiring just two common household ingredients. You'll need cornstarch, which is readily available in most kitchens, and plain tap water. The key to success lies in the proportions. A good starting point is usually 2 parts cornstarch to 1 part water. For example, 2 cups of cornstarch to 1 cup of water. Now for the fun part, mixing. Start by pouring your cornstarch into a bowl. Then, gradually add the water, mixing it in with your hands or a spoon. You'll want to achieve a consistency that feels thick and resistant when you press it, but still drips and flows when you let it relax. Don't be afraid to add a little more cornstarch or water, just a teaspoon at a time, until it feels just right. Once your hard liquid is ready, it's time to play. Try punching it, squeezing it, or rolling it into a ball. You'll notice how it becomes firm under pressure, then relaxes back into a liquid state. When you're finished, cleanup is a breeze. Just rinse your hands and any surfaces with water. Remember to dispose of the oobleck in the trash, not down the drain, to avoid any potential clogs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.